Hello listener, welcome to my YouTube channel. The account of Mr. Takiwa Gareso, who has great influence on the internet, instantly become unavailable, casing choose after the interest X trend. Subscribe my YouTube channel and comments in section below. By the 5th of the X from Twitter of the Takizawa Glorious. A relevant figure who had upwards 3 million followers became unavailable. It is attracting a lot of attention with related words trending on the X. Mr. Takizawa Georgia's exposed account that spread various information through X. Takizawa information was used not only the internet but also news report, which had a huge impact on the public. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.